Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today is a quick clean with me with my friend Jessica here on YouTube. I'm going to insert her intro here in just a second. Be sure after you watch this video that you go over to her channel and see her video and show her some love as well.
Hey everyone, my name is Jessica. I am a mom with 2 girls. I live in Las Vegas and my YouTube channel name is All Things Jessica. I make tons of cleaning motivation, home decor inspiration, and lifestyle videos. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. And if any of these videos sound interesting to you, please come on over and join my YouTube family once you're done watching this video. See you soon.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista, and today in this video we are just going to do a quick clean with me to get ready for Thanksgiving. I love to have the house nice and clean and just smelling fresh for the holidays. Just makes everything a little bit better. So first things first, we're going to start off in the bedroom where all of us sleep. If you're new, we do live with my grandmother right now. I call her Mama until we can find a place to live. So me and my 2 boys and my husband are all in one room. So I'm just going to get these beds made and then move on to the rest of the house.
Open harmony when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
I love starting off the day with a freshly made bed. I just do not feel complete if I don't make my bed in the mornings. So, is anyone else like that? Do you have to have your bed made, or does it even matter to you?
Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was.
Next place we're going to be is in the bathroom. This is in our hallway, so everyone always comes to this bathroom. So I like to make sure that this bathroom is nice and clean almost all the time. So this bathroom really didn't need a lot to be done.
Time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today, and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today.
My living room is almost always a wreck because I do have a 2-year-old and a baby, so toys are everywhere. So it's kind of hard to keep the living room uncluttered, but I do try my best. So you can see little Oliver and his swing right there, and I'm just going to pick up these and then work on the floors.
Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
As you can see, we do have a dishwasher, but it does not work, so we have to do all of our dishes by hand. So before that I do anything else, I'm going to put up the clean dishes that we did this morning and then get started on the dishes from lunch.
Let me love you. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, 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 ooh. friends with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my call.
What is your favorite part of cleaning? Mine is definitely cleaning out the sink. There's just something so therapeutic about watching all the suds go down the drain.
Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
As you can see, I'm almost always having to do something to keep Parker entertained while I clean, so I gave him some clementines to eat while I finished up the floors.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at this beautiful.
Right, y'all, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any new videos. And make sure to go show Yessica some love on her video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all. Have a blessed one.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.